Imagine a world where cash is obsolete. Already in the UK, one of the biggest supermarket has informed its customers that there'll be no longer cash payment but cards only. Where your morning coffee is paid for with the blink of an eye, and global transactions happen in seconds, not days. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that future is closer than you think. The world of money is evolving faster than ever, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. In today's video, we're diving deep into the future of money and the 5 trends you simply can't afford to ignore. Stick around, because this is about your financial future, your livelihood, and the way the entire world is about to change. The decline of physical cash. A cashless society is coming. Trend 1. The decline of physical cash. We are living through the slow death of cash, and it's happening faster than many expected. According to the World Economic Forum, global cash transactions have been steadily dropping. In places like Sweden, cash accounts for less than 1% of the country's economic transactions. And in countries like China and South Korea, QR codes and mobile payments have taken over daily life. More than 60% of consumers worldwide already prefer digital payments. The convenience, speed, and security offered by mobile wallets, NFC payments, and online banking are making paper money look like a thing of the past. In fact, some experts predict that by 2030, many countries may stop printing physical currency altogether. But as the world goes cashless, what does that mean for privacy? For those who rely on cash for anonymity or to avoid bank fees? It's a big question with no easy answers, and it's something we all need to start thinking about now. The rise of cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin anymore. Trend 2. The rise of cryptocurrencies. By now, everyone has heard of Bitcoin. But here's the thing, it's not just about Bitcoin anymore. The cryptocurrency market has exploded, with over 12,000 different digital coins currently in circulation. According to CoinMarketCap, the entire cryptocurrency market is valued at over $2 trillion, with hundreds of new coins and tokens launched every month. Cryptocurrencies aren't just a fringe trend, they're fundamentally reshaping how we think about money. Ethereum, for example, is not just a currency. It's a decentralized platform that allows developers to build applications, from finance to gaming. Solana and Binance Smart Chain are revolutionizing transaction speeds and scalability. And that's not even scratching the surface. What's even more surprising? Major financial institutions, like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs, are now investing in crypto. Even governments are starting to take notice, with countries like El Salvador making Bitcoin legal tender. But crypto is volatile. One day, your holdings might be up 20%, and the next, they could plummet. Still, the potential is undeniable. Some analysts predict Bitcoin could hit $500,000 by 2030, while others believe the future belongs to other cryptocurrencies or even entirely new blockchain innovations. The bottom line? Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or skeptic, this is a trend you cannot afford to ignore. Central bank digital currencies, the future of national currencies. Trend 3. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Governments across the globe are taking notes from the rise of cryptocurrencies. But unlike decentralized coins like Bitcoin, CBDCs are controlled by central banks. Countries like China, the Bahamas, and Sweden have already launched or are in the pilot phase of their digital currencies. According to the International Monetary Fund, over 80% of central banks worldwide are actively researching or developing their own CBDCs. So, what's the big deal? Well, CBDCs could drastically reshape national monetary systems. Imagine the convenience of never needing a bank to hold your money. Your funds would be stored in a digital wallet directly controlled by your government. Transactions could be nearly instant, and fraud or money laundering could be drastically reduced. But here's the catch. This comes with enormous implications for privacy and government control. If CBDCs are the future, we need to ask ourselves, how much control do we want to give our governments over our personal finances? It's a balance between convenience and freedom, and that's a question that's only going to become more urgent in the years ahead. The explosion of fintech. How technology is transforming finance. Trend 4. the explosion of fintech. In just the past decade, financial technology, or fintech, has transformed how we bank, invest, and manage our money. In 2020 alone, global fintech investment reached a staggering $105 billion, and the sector is growing at lightning speed. Fintech is making financial services more accessible, more efficient, and more personalized than ever before. Apps like Robinhood, Revolut, and Stripe are democratizing investing, making it easier for everyday people to buy stocks, trade crypto, or send money across the world with a tap on their phones. And it doesn't stop there. AI-driven financial advisors are now analyzing market trends, customizing portfolios, and helping people invest smarter without the need for traditional human brokers. The rise of fintech means the barriers to entry are lower than ever. But with great power comes great responsibility. The convenience of fintech apps can sometimes lure people into risky investments or massive losses. Remember when GameStop's stock skyrocketed thanks to retail investors using Robinhood? Those who jumped in without understanding the market lost millions when the bubble burst. Fintech is here to stay, and it's going to keep revolutionizing the financial world. The question is, are you ready to harness its power? Or will you get caught in the storm? Sustainable finance, the new ethical standard. Trend 5, sustainable finance. Money doesn't just make the world go round, it shapes the world we live in. And more than ever before, where we put our money is becoming a statement of our values. Sustainable finance is exploding, with global assets invested in ESG funds hitting over $35 trillion in 2020. That's 1/3 of all professionally managed assets. Companies and investors alike are realizing that the future of finance isn't just about profits, it's about purpose. Whether it's clean energy, ethical labor practices, or reducing carbon footprints, businesses that prioritize sustainability are winning over both investors and consumers. A 2021 study by Morningstar showed that ESG-focused funds have consistently outperformed their traditional counterparts in recent years. But it's not just about performance. It's about legacy. People are waking up to the reality that their financial choices have a direct impact on the planet's future. So, the next time you invest, ask yourself, is this money building a better world, or just adding to the problem? The future of money isn't just about how we pay for things, it's about how we live. It's about the world we're building, the decisions we make, and the power we hold in our wallets and bank accounts. These trends are already reshaping our economy, our society, and our planet. The question is, are you ready for the change? Because the future of money is coming, fast. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that dives deep into the future of finance, technology, and the world we live in. Leave a comment below. How do you think the future of money will impact your life?